Today we're going to be making lemon pound cake. But we're going to start with 1 cake mix lemon, 1 package of lemon instant pudding, 4 eggs, 1 cup of water, and 1/3 oil. So let's get started. You put your cake mix in there, lemon, then we're going to put our Jello pudding, lemon, instant. Then we're going to put our, start that up a little bit. Four eggs. It's real easy. 1 cup of water. And I have substituted milk for this. And 1/3 cup of oil. You preheat your oven to 350. I took my Bundt pan and greased it with shortening and floured it with some flour. And so we're going to mix it all together. Okay, that should be mixed, but we'll a little bit on the bottom. That's why you stir it, just to make sure everything's mixed. And we're going to pour it in here. Let me level it out. I'm going to spread it out. Make sure it's level. And pop it a couple of times on the thing there. "50 minutes, but I start checking it at 45. And I just took the lemon cake out of the oven, and it is still hot. That's what it looks like. And we're gonna make a little topping for it. I want to put probably 3/4 cup of powdered sugar, somewhere like that. Shake up that lemon juice. 2. Let's try 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. And we're going to mix it up. A little bit more. You want it kind of runny, because you're going to pour it on top of the cake. And we're going to pour it all over the cake top. Make sure every little bit is coated. we'll push it so it'll go down that center of the cake. And that's what it looks like that. It's just a glaze you pour over it. And we're going to let that sit there for a little bit, about 20 minutes. Let it settle, and then we'll plate it up.